What's up, guys? It is JD from Let It Rip Side by Side Adventure. We are on day 2. Day 2, you ask? Let's do a recap. I'll put the info for the last video right here. We are currently at Turkey Bay.
Game on the line in the fourth, running up and down the court. I kill him, I do it for sport. Crunch time, when it's crunch time, I'm always gonna put in the work. You just keep coming up short, but somebody gotta get hurt. Crunch time, when it's crunch time, ooh, it's all about us to the end now. I ain't out here making friends now. Hit them with a turnaround if they wanna see how it pans out. I'm just trying to be a champion, trying to leave behind a legacy. MVPs in the ambience, but they champ for me. I'm always gonna put in the work. I'm just trying to be a champion. I'm always gonna put in the work. MVPs in the ambience. I'm always gonna put in the work. I'm just trying to be a champion. I'm always gonna put in the work. MVPs in the
Turkey Bay has not only the office you check in, it is open from dusk till dawn. They have all kinds of trail. They have a little bit of hill climbs like this. A little bit like that. And that's what we're doing today. We are heading back in this with the main goal to go straight through the center of Turkey Bay. And just like that, guys, we are bombing through Turkey Bay once again. Now, yesterday we kind of did the outskirts, went around the outside of Turkey Bay. Decided today we are gonna go straight through the center, well, as close as you can to center. So let me show you something here real quick. Nixon's to be a navigator today with the OnX Route. We dropped the pin. Hoping you guys can see that right there, directly across the other side of the park. The orange ones are from yesterday, or the red dashes. We're going back to that, straight through the center. So when we find something crazy or get ourselves along here, we will pick you back up from there. Alright, so right out the gate, just here, let's go up the side of the ridge line. Yeah, you ain't making it through that. There's no way. No, I see there's a bypass right here. Yeah, that is just, and I know they said they had tornado damage and stuff through here too, and I think that is extremely washed out. So, we'll go. This got real quick. It went from 0 to 100. That was pretty nuts. Well, we're just gonna have to go with which way the trail goes at this point, because I'm assuming this is a bunch of washout stuff from I think we're going this way. I can't square up to that one safely. Right. Alright, we'll keep working our way that way. Definitely some huge washouts through this section. I see what's happening. Do you see what's happening? Due to the fact that we're not going yesterday with the ridge lines, we are just going up and down the ridge lines through the park. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Just be happy if we make it out of this trip without slashing a tire. Yeah. That's the only thing, guys, I could say that is a little different. This is almost like the last climb up to what looks like an outlook, and couldn't go up one way because of the washouts they were 6 feet deep. So we're trying to wrap ourselves around the backside to see if we can't make it to this supposed outlook. We'll pick you up if we find anything crazier when we get there. To the edge of the water. Okay, now the first day was a lot of hill climbing. Would you say a lot of hill climbing, Nixon? First day? Yeah. So the second day, as you can see, we're parked out here on the beach. This time we decided to see if we could find some fast-paced stuff. Is Turkey Bay just about crawling hills, going up stuff, down stuff? And we were pleasantly surprised. Alright, and then yeah, we'll get in the shade someplace. Good rip, yeah? Alright, cool. Alright, we'll be back, guys. We're gonna stop and get something to drink. Yeah, that's freaking steep. Alright guys, I will say this, these Rampage tires that came factory or stock on these Pro Rs, they are actually very impressive. I've had them through just about every type of terrain. They don't do great in mud, but they do really good in rocks and loose conditions and hard pack. These trails are amazing. And this stuff is sharp and nasty, and I can't believe I haven't taken a sidewall or something, so very impressed with these tires. Never heard of them until the Pro R. Thumbs up for this guy. It's a hell of a turn. just backed out of that?
No. Too easy.
You can shut that off. And obviously we had to get some more hill climbs in here for the day. It was cool. We found that one spot. We were able to get ourselves down in the bottom of that, and there had been about 4 or 5 approaches. Went up some gnarly stuff, got to some big tire stuff that we said, nope, not going down it even with the Pro R. I was simply amazed at how well this machine did. Tires and stuff are chewed up. We got some bumps and bruises, missing a center cap, rims got some scratches on them, but that's what a side-by-side is for. So Turkey Bay, what can I say as a whole? First off, anybody with skill set of driving a side-by-side can come out here as long as you pick and choose where you decide to go. If something looks like it's kind of hairy, definitely kind of hairy. Now, if you follow the Turkey Bay loop through this entire trail system, anybody can come out here on a side-by-side, any type of cruiser, and enjoy this park. There's a lot of outlooks, places to check out, so it is a thumbs up in my books. Once again, Pro R outperformed my expectations once again. With that being said, guys, anybody that's new to the channel, welcome to the channel. All the OGs that have been here from the beginning, appreciate each and every one of you. If you want to see more sights and sceneries of our adventures such as this one, if you want, mash that subscribe, hit that thumbs up, hit that notification bell if you want to see content when we post. And what do we say, Nixon? On to the next adventure. All right, what do you said? On to the next adventure.